Okay fellas, we have this little fucker for fast repairs, so I know that I need the brushes for this one, the striker and the O-ring. So first of all I'm opening it, and I will need to change the brushes, and if I could remember I just need to pull it out here. I will disconnect this wire. Okay, disconnected the switch, and I have the brush holder unit, so easily can replace the brushes. You can see some difference in the new and the old brush. Just checking if the new brush moves easily. Okay, repeating the step with the other side. Yeah, of course we can put it back. I will check the plates here, they look good. Have some dirt here. Okay. That's good. I will adjust the springs. Go in the gaps here. Pressing it. Now I will put the springs on the brushes. Okay. We have installed the brush holder back. You can install the switch back, and not forget to connect it, of course. Okay. Basically now I can close the handle, because I know that probably I will not get here again. Okay, now we are getting to the O-ring and the striker. I need to remove the head here. Okay, now you can see that the striker looks bad, and okay, we want to remove this knob. Can't remember what side that. Now this Bosch just pisses me off. want to try to take everything here out without taking out the armature. I hope I will be able to do that on this model. Okay, probably not. I cannot quite remember. Maybe I need to remove this one, then I will be able to take everything out. Yeah, I can do that. I need to remove the spring ring here inside. Okay, all the parts got out now, and I'm able to push it out. Put some paper here, and what we want to do with this one, we want to get the striker. Can feel the compression here. Just cleaning it. I have the old O-ring here. Moving it, taking it out. We have the new O-ring, we have some new grease, and yeah, this time I will not wash this one completed, and I have made a previous one, almost the same one that I have washed, and they both go to the same customer. And I will see how will they last. Okay, I can feel compression. That's a good sign for me. I'm moving this one. Okay, I want to clean this a little bit. And now I have the spring ring inside. I'm just lifting it with a screwdriver from the both sides. Looks not bad now. I'll try to catch it with my pliers. Yep. Seems that I can do that. Okay. Got the spring ring. You can see the spring ring, and we have the striker inside it. And basically this one was like that. What we want to do here, we want to just take this out. There's my new one. Okay, I have lost the new one. Found it. Let's make sure for the difference. You can see this one is flat, this one have the bump inside it. Sorry, not focus it good. The left one you have bump, the right one is good, new one. So just putting it in like that, I believe. Okay, inserting it in, putting the spring ring. One of the bad parts when you're not washing all the tool, you must deal with the old black grease. So that's why it's better to clean the tool. Okay, now I'm pressing the spring ring back down. Okay, got it and got it. You can check with a finger if the striker is moving. Mine is moving. yours? I don't know. Putting some grease here. Okay. With it now, of course, you can close it. I will take the bigger bit, I think. And okay. Okay, now we need to put the switch in. Check if it's a dirt or what. Nope. Okay. And now we remember that this switch must be like that. Probably it was something like that. Yep. So that means we have the spring here on the middle. Pressing the button in and tightening it. I can check if it can spin. Okay, it can spin. Now we need to put this small piece. It's a spring ring that must go here. I will try to mount it back by not disassemble all the head here. Maybe it's not the smartest way to do this, but why not? We can try it. The baddest part is that I cannot fixate the tools somewhere to have a couple of hands. Cannot see quite good. Need to press it. Yeah, seems that I have got it. Sorry, really don't have the technology to show it inside of it on the camera. We'll take some dirt out from here. Okay. Now it's our time to test it. It hammers. We can check if it works on all directions. Okay, it works. Now putting on the drilling and hammering and not holding it. And only drilling. So that looks good. I will run it a little bit more hammering.